causes for it.
Yeah. JTE, SSD, we finna get it. Get it in, get it done. I get money now, it's time to drive around. We riding foreign whips only for a little while. Drive to the lady's house, tell her I'll take you out. She see my foreign whips lined in many different styles. She rolled a blunt now, she likes my person now. I'm popping Henny, popping champagne, now we pouring out. She keep on talking and talking as if I give a fuck. So then I drop off and pick Porsche up. She looking fine as hell, hair done and dressed up. She drink, I drive around, she feeling fucked up. She drink, I drive around, she feeling fucked up. She pulls 500 out, she wants to see the town. I told her chill bitch, it's just the Uber now. Pulled out the marijuana, we feeling high as fuck. Ride to the hotel, and now she wanna fuck. Ride to the hotel, and now she wanna fuck.
I got my new Chevy, please believe her. I still go fast in my four-seater. My side chick, well she's a eater. These dudes hate, they can't see it. I go so hard and do my thing. I flow so hard, that crack cocaine. Now is it blow or crystal meth? Said mine is pure, while yours is step. No DJ Khaled, but we are the best on every track. See how I flex, I'm out at BG. I stay touring, that box Chevy, to me is boring. Got my champagne, see what it do, still get it done, that's nothing new. Call a dealership, I'm gonna flip a range. See your dirty looks, but I love the game.
Causes for it.